Good morning to all of you. My name is Sanvi Vanma. Before I start my experiment, I just want to explain what is wall of colors. Colors are the smiles of nature. They have the power to make us happy and grateful living life. But without colors, our life will be turned black and white. Now, let's start my experiment. Fill all 3 bowls halfway with water. Now I'm adding red color to this bowl. Wow. Add blue color to this bowl. And finally add yellow color to this last bowl. Now these are all my primary color solution. This is the red primary color solution. This is my blue primary color solution. And finally, this is my yellow primary color solution. Now I'm gonna make secondary color solution. Add yellow color to this red primary color solution. Add red color to this blue primary color solution. Add blue color to this yellow primary color solution. This is all my secondary color solution. This is the orange color solution. This is the purple color solution. This is my green color solution. Now let's see what happens if we mix each other in this jar. It is turning to the green color solution. Bye bye and thank you. Have a nice day.